In the video for today, I'm going to show you two methods to screen record on a Windows 10 or 11 laptop or PC. So screen recording on a Windows 10 or 11 PC is super simple and easy, but all you need to know is there are basically two methods. One is the free and the other is the paid method. In the free method, you may just have a pre-installed application on your laptop itself that is going to help you record. So if you want to check and see if you have the pre-installed free application to record your screen, you could just hold down the Windows and G button of your keyboard. And if you see a pop-up like this, it means that you have the application. This is basically the snippet that here you could just click on capture and you get a pop-up like this to the left. If you click on this option, your screen is going to start recording. Or as an alternate, you could also click on the Windows Alt and R keys on the keyboard and the screen is going to start recording. All your videos that are going to be recorded is going to be saved to the video folder on your laptop. You also have the option out here to switch on and off the mic like as it would be on recorder software. And the second method is to actually buy a software online like Movavi or Ice Cream Recorder or whatever it is and record your screen. The two basic differences in a free and a paid version of a screen recorder is that the first thing is the price. For the free one, you don't have to pay anything, but for the paid service or the paid software, you have to pay a fee and get the software downloaded. And the second difference is that a screen recorder that you have purchased would have more options as compared to the free application. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.